Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials.
In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up your Facebook Ads account. The Facebook Business Manager is just another way to access pages and advertising accounts. If you'd like to run Facebook ads, it's not convenient for you and your team members to use your personal ad account to run the ads. With Facebook Business Manager, you can expand the availability to manage Facebook ads or pages. Now we're going to introduce you how you can create a new or claim an existing ad account under the Facebook Business Manager.
So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
If you haven't added a page yet to your Facebook Business Manager, then you better check the first part of this video. Check the notification card on top, or you can also check the link in the description. Log into your Business Manager account at business.facebook.com. Let us show you first how to create a new ad account. So once you're in, click the Add Ad Account button and select Create Ad Account. Name your ad account, indicate the time zone and your currency, then click the Next button. Choose who will this ad account be used for and click Next. Next is to add people and set permissions. You should see all the names listed here who has access to the Facebook Business Manager. Just select the person who you wanted to be assigned to your ad account, then set the permissions and click the Assign button. You now have created your first personal ad account. When you go back to the Business Manager home, you should see the ad account that we just created. The next ad account that we'll be adding is somebody else's ad account. Click the business settings on the top right and go to the Ad Accounts section. Click the Add button and select Request Access to an ad account. So we'll be needing the account ID. In order to get the account ID, your client also needs to create his personal ad account. They just need to follow these steps. So they need to be logged in to their Facebook account. Click the Create button on top and select Ads on the drop-down. They will be automatically taken to the Ads Manager. They just need to give you the account number. Once you have the account number, just type it in the account ID field, set your access, and click Confirm. You'll be sending the request to your client, and your client needs to accept the request. He should see it on the notification. Once he clicks it, he'll be taken to the Ads Manager. The request should be seen on the lower right side, and they just need to click the Respond to Request and grant you access to their ad account. After your client grants you access, you now have added them to your Facebook Business Manager ad account, and you're all set. So we just covered 3 ways in creating an ad account. First one is through your Business Manager. Second is on your personal ad account. And the third is adding someone else's ad account. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon! Hey, do you like this e-com content? Sign up for the Sellers Post newsletter for more e-commerce content straight to your inbox, or follow us on social with the links below. Thanks for watching!